Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing superb. If you're wondering why I'm not wearing makeup and what is this shiny thing on my face, it's my treatment ointment on. If you follow me on Instagram, if you don't, follow me right now. But if you do, you would know that a few days back I did talk about this acne situation that was going on a week back. I don't know, but from somewhere I just picked up this allergy. I think it is because of the mask that I've been wearing these days. All of us are wearing. I usually sweat a lot on my face, and I remember this day when I was wearing a mask and my face sweat a lot, and because of the mask it got stuck into my pores, it got penetrated into my skin, and I developed this weird ass allergy. But now it is much better. It was all inflamed and red, but now it's much better. Okay, keeping those things aside, what we are here for today is the beginner's makeup kit. I know there are a lot of people who are beginning with their makeup journey and are actually curious to start their makeup journey, and in this lockdown a lot of people are trying their hands on makeup. So I just wanted to share this video with all of you so that it could help you out in choosing the best products for yourself. Now, before we get into the real stuff, I would like to mention that all the products that I'm gonna list in this video are going to be under rupees 500. If not their MRP, the sale prices are going to be under 500, because most of the times I have picked up products that are most of the times on sale and you get them for a reasonable price as compared to their MRP. I myself always shop in sales. I never ever buy any product on MRP because I don't think there's any sense buying products on MRP when you can get those similar, absolutely same products for 100 bucks less or 200 bucks less. So there's no point buying those products for full prices, right? So, and even Nykaa has its sale going on. I think by the time I'll upload this video, the sale will be on, so you'll be able to check all these products out. I am going to be listing all the products in the description so that it gets easier for you guys. And yeah, so the first product that I have is actually the product that goes first on your face when you start doing your makeup, and that is actually the order that we're going to follow. First things first, and the first product I have is a primer. So this is the Nykaa Prep Me Up Face Primer. I absolutely adore this primer. You can see by the condition of it how much I have used it till now. Yeah, it says it tones the skin, it smoothens the skin, and it perfects your skin. It actually does fill up your pores to quite an extent, and it actually makes your foundation and your base sail very smoothly over your skin. I really like this product a lot. I have used it personally. Even in fact, all the products that I'm going to tell you guys, I have used those products personally, and they all are superb, and so is this primer. This is from Nykaa. It retails, the MRP is 499, but right now I believe it is on sale on Nykaa, and I'm gonna leave the link in the description box. You guys go and check that out. It is for 500 rupees, but during the sale you can get it for lesser also. Otherwise also it's just 500 rupees, and it does fall in the category, so I picked this one up. And this is actually the most affordable primer you can get in the market. There are others which are more inexpensive than this one, but then I don't suggest you guys going for those, because ultimately you will spend your money, they won't do the job, and you'll have to ultimately buy a more expensive primer. And if you ultimately have to buy the expensive one, and this is not even expensive, it is 500 rupees, but I understand. So if you ultimately have to buy the more expensive one, then I would suggest save up your money and buy it in the first place rather than wasting your money somewhere else. So this is the best primer that you can get in this range, and so this one makes to this list. So the next product that I have is obviously a base product which goes after the primer. Now, I know that a lot of people include BB creams and CC creams into the makeup beginners kit, but I don't actually believe in that, because ultimately you can't use BB and CC creams everywhere, like everywhere. if you have to go for parties, if you have to go for certain functions, you will have to ultimately put foundation, and BB and CC creams won't solve the purpose. Obviously there are BB creams that are inexpensive and they make to this list, but I did not add them. However, if you want, I am gonna leave the link in the description box for the BB and CC creams as well. But I am gonna choose a foundation for the beginner's makeup kit, because that is something that you can be used everywhere. Even if you want a light coverage and a light daytime natural looking makeup, you can use it, and you can use a little smaller quantity for that rather than going for all ham coverage. So yeah, I am going to include a foundation, and the one that I'm including is this one. So this is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. My shade in this is 230 Natural Buff. If you are somebody of my skin tone, I don't have any makeup on, so this is my natural skin tone. If you are of my natural skin tone, then this is going to perfectly suit you. It actually is very close to my skin, and when I wear it, I feel like I'm wearing no base, because it is so lightweight, super lightweight. You are not going to even trace it if you have it on yourself. And apart from that, it's matte, so people with oily skin, it's a beautiful pick for you all. Trust me, I have been using it for the longest time. I believe ever since I started doing makeup and I started exploring foundations, this was the first one that I got, and this is the one that I've been using till now. You do get a bigger variant in this as well, the bottle, and that retails for, I believe, 500 or 550 rupees, whereas this one retails for 299, 300 rupees, guys, only 300 bucks. And trust me, if you're beginning with your makeup and you are just starting to experiment with it, this one is going to last you super long. I bought it around 9 months ago, 8 or 9 months ago, even I don't remember, even I think before that, and it is still there and I still use it. It is still not done, and I believe I can use it for 4 or 5 more times, and all you need is just one squeeze out of it, and it's going to cover the entire face because it's super lightweight. It is medium to full coverage. You can build up the coverage as and when you want. And yeah, so the next product that I have is a concealer, which is this one. It is the Maybelline Fit Me concealer. I know you guys have seen me use it quite often. What else to say, guys? My usage of it is quite evident. You can see it is almost done from here, and I still have a lot left in this. Now this one is also something that I bought quite a long, oh my god, I actually bought it for my freshers. Yeah, now I remember, I bought these things for my freshers, and that was what, 2 years ago. I just realized that this is 2 years ago, this is 2 years old, and I'm still using it. Don't, please don't come after me saying that this is old enough to not be used now, because till the time it does not get over, I'm not gonna leave it. And actually this does have an expiry of more than, I think it's 30 months or something like that, because I do note the expiry dates of my products and I do use them like that. Do not come after me, because I know when the products need to be thrown away. This one has not been done yet, so I have been using it. The shade that I am in is 20 Sand Sable. Now this is not my perfect like bare skin shade. It is a little light for me. Earlier it used to match my skin perfectly and I used to wear only this, but ever since I started going to college, I got tan, facial tan, and now obviously the lifestyle that we live, I have built up dark circles, and so this does not match my natural skin tone. I have to use another concealer to conceal my dark circles, and I then use this one to actually brighten my face. So this one is helps me to brighten my face. So if you are somebody who is fairer than me, this might suit you, but if you are my skin tone or deeper than mine, you will have to use another shade for this one. If you have to go for this, not 20 Sand Sable. If the base is done, comes this setting powder, and this is something that I show in all of my videos. I use it thoroughly. I have exploited it as anything, and this is the one. Obviously this is the Maybelline White Super Fresh Compact Powder, and I am in the shade Coral. I am in the shade Coral. This one I believe has been discontinued, as I'll have to check. If this one has been discontinued, they have launched their another compact, which is the Maybelline Fit Me Compact. I am gonna try and find this one out. If I get it, I am gonna link it down in the description. If I don't find it, I'm gonna link the other one in the description, so you guys can go and check that out. Even that falls in this range only. It's less than 500. Even this one's less than 500. It is for how much is it for? I am gonna leave in the video somewhere right here. You're gonna find all the pricings and the names. This one is a dream to have, guys. Trust me, I believe Maybelline is a brand to have, guys. You can't go wrong with Maybelline because they make such good quality products for such affordable prices. Now this one is an absolute butter. And I set my entire face using this. I have lately not been baking because it just gives me a very orange yellow look to the under eye, and I have been using only this to set the entire face, and my makeup does not budge for the entire day. Trust me, you guys, believe you me, I have worn my makeup for weddings, for overnight weddings, and have just used this and a setting spray, and my base hasn't moved at all. So this is a beautiful powder to have, compact powder to have, and yeah, this is the one that I always use, and I recommend to you if you're just beginning with your makeup. This is a must. So we are done with the base, we are done with setting the base. Now as I move in my routine comes the brows, and the brow pencil that I use is this one from Miss Claire. It's their waterproof eyebrow pencil in the shade medium brown, 03 medium brown. I don't have the cap for this side, but never mind. This is something that I've been using for the longest time. Trust me, I have to actually repurchase it because it's quite worn off. But this is a beautifully pigmented brow pencil. If you do check out my videos, my previous videos as well, I am gonna link them here so you guys can go and check those out. I always use this one, and it gives me a very, very beautiful coverage, very natural. It exactly matches my brow hair color, and it does not make my brow hair and my natural hair look different. And that is how your brow pencils should be. You should not be using brow pencils that make your eyebrows look very, very weird, or they change the color of your brows to something else. That is not what you want. Your brow color should always match with the color of your hair, and this one exactly matches it. I do believe that I'll have to buy a brow gel with this one because it does not, obviously it's a pencil and it does not set my brows in place, but as far as filling the brows is concerned, this one is a beautiful pencil to have. It is super inexpensive, trust me. And if you're just beginning with makeup, if you just started learning and practicing, this one is actually really good. Do not go for brow gels and do not go for pomades or liquids, because liquids and pomades are really difficult to handle if you don't have enough of practice, and you can go wrong with those. But this one, since it's a pencil, you can do anything you want, draw, color, anything, and it is going to stay with you. After the brows are done, we are going to move to the face, and we're going to contour, we're going to do the blush, we're going to do the highlight. And for that I have this beautiful trio from, again, Maybelline. This is the V-Flash Blush Contour. It actually has a blush, a contour, and a highlight within it. It does come with a brush like this. I am gonna show you guys. So this is the kind of blush it comes in with, which is super soft. I did used to use it earlier, but now I don't use it. I use only this. I use other brushes with this one. So this is it. This is the kind of trio this is the middle shade in it is the blush. This one is the contour and this one is the highlight. Now the highlight is quite pink to be a highlight, so I don't use this shade as the highlighter. But however, I use the contour. I've used this for the longest time. If you see really old videos of mine, this is the something that I've been using. If you go to the first IGTV that I uploaded, which was long ago, I did use this one, and you can see how it looks on my skin. Yeah, I actually don't use the highlight. I instead mix the two colors, mix the blush color and this color to make a good pinky blush out of it. As far as the highlight is concerned, I do not highlight my face till the time I have to go for like glam look. I have to go for a wedding or something like that. I do not highlight my face. I believe in moisturizing it as much as you can from within and bringing the glow to your face naturally rather than putting artificial highlighters on it. So I don't usually highlight, and hence I have not added any highlighter into the list, because that is what I want to articulate to you guys as well. Take care of your skin. I am not in a condition to say this right now, but still take care of your skin and make it glow from within. I usually, initially when I started doing makeup and I didn't have eyeshadow palettes, I used to use this trio in itself to do my makeup. I used to use the contour shade to sort of contour my eyes a little. And believe me, if you're a beginner, you are not going to get into eye makeup as such, because you're just beginning with the makeup and you're not gonna create thousands of looks using eyeshadow palettes. So this is gonna solve the purpose for eyeshadows as well. This one is quite pigmented, trust me. And I did use this contour to contour my eyes initially when I started doing makeup, and I've had to add certain some color. I used to use the blush to add some color to my eyes, and that is all that I used to do for my eyes when I started doing makeup. Apart from that, if you want to go for an affordable eyeliner, this is the one that I'm gonna recommend. It is from Lakme. It's the Insta Liner. Super duper inexpensive. I believe 100 or 110 bucks. Trust me guys, I have moved. I have progressed in my makeup life and the entire makeup situation. But this is something that I have not been able to leave until now. I don't think I'm gonna leave this forever, because it is so... I actually get speechless when I talk of this. This is something that I'm wearing right now as well. Super duper matte, super long lasting, super smudge proof, super waterproof. Anything that you say, I don't know how do these guys make it, but for this price, you trust me, I bet you can't get a better eyeliner than this one in this price range. 100 or 110 rupees and you get this star. Trust me guys, I have made my friends buy it, and I've seen them using more, like super expensive eyeliners, and I don't like the liners that look very shiny on your eyes. I do not like it. It's way too intimidating for me. This is something that I love. Super matte, super beautiful, and this is something that you can go for if you're looking for an affordable eyeliner. So yeah guys, that is it. Those are the things that you would ever require in your makeup. Believe me, I myself have done makeup for like an year with only these things. Trust me, and I used to create really beautiful looks using only these products. And this is everything that you're gonna require if you're just beginning with your makeup. Trust me, these all products work really well for your skin. These are all tried and tested by myself. I would never in my life ever recommend things that I've not tried, and I would never recommend to you guys to use it. So these are all tried and tested products. Trust me, if you invest your money in them, you're not gonna regret it at any time. That is it for this video. Let me know if you guys loved it, and also let me know if you want me to make more videos like these. Certain affordable, I actually can do like an affordable series of different things under 500 rupees. If that is something that you would like to see, let me know in the comment section below. There is a small red subscribe written besides my name, so just click that button as well if you like this one, and become a fan of this channel and just get connected with all the fun that we have over here. Thank you so much for watching the video. Do like it if you like it, do share it if you like it, and yeah, that is all from my side.